Good evening, everybody. It is with a great pleasure that I'm sitting here with Mr. Leo Dlamini, CEO and PO of Best Medical Aid. It is been held at Whittier Country Club for the 8th time. Leo, can you please give us just a bit of a background and objectives about the annual golf day and how things are going? The floor is yours. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to be able to say a few words about this event that we're excited about. Before I go into the objectives of what today is really about, maybe just to give a thanks to the people that made it possible. I'm just going to go through a list of the groupings of people that are here. So we have sponsors that have made the day possible in terms of the different sponsorships. We have corporate representatives that are here from the different corporates that have our big memberships. We've got brokers that are here. We also have some of our service providers that are in the medical space. On all of these groupings basically make for a successful event. Why is it special that it's the 8th? I think that talks to the success of where we come from, because after the 6th, 7th time, if it doesn't work, typically we would have canned it. And in fact, as I came into the office, into the position, the question I asked, why are we doing this? Which is then the question that you ask is the objective of today. First of all, just to say that today is a big success. I'm sure you'll agree with me with the number of people that have come to participate, which we're obviously very excited about. But the real objective, we could probably split it into three parts. First part is really just Bestmed taking the time to invite the people we do business with to a space where we can, in a social setting, continue to start to embed the mutually beneficial partnerships that we have. The second part is really just to say thank you and our appreciation to people that work with us, and hopefully they've experienced what Bestmed is about during the day, and that they'll continue to work with us going into the future. And the last part, which is not unimportant, it's arguably more important than the first two, is we use the event to continue to drive our corporate social investment program. And why is corporate social investment program very important? I think the context in the country says that there's not enough resources to be able to do all the great things that we need to do. And we've identified CSI as being an integral part of how we do business. And to that extent, we've asked everybody to participate here today to make it possible for us to then lend a hand. And the beneficiary today, after all this, the event has happened, is the Mamelodi Pre-Vocational School. We're going to be handing over a check to them a little later on. Thanks.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you for your time. All the best in the future and the new position. And we hope to see you again next year. Have a great evening.
Thank you.